Listen and repeat. What do the new words mean?
History. History of the country. The History Museum. The history of the city. What do you know about the history of Russia? Culture. Our culture. The culture of our country. Russia is famous for its rich culture.
Listen and read. A.
Brave. Cosmonaut. Great. Kind. Language. Neighbor. Scientist. Talented.
B.
Brave. A brave animal. Brave people. Those people who work with tigers and lions in the circus are very brave. Cosmonaut. Russian cosmonauts. Yuri Gagarin is the first cosmonaut in the world. Great. Great people. Great countries. Great friends. Russia is a great country, isn't it? It certainly is. Kind. A kind woman. Kind people. To be kind to somebody. I think our people are brave and kind. He was always kind to me. Language. An easy language. A difficult language. To learn languages. The English language is not easy, is it? No, it isn't. Neighbor. My neighbors. Their neighbors. Our neighbors are very kind people. Scientist. A great scientist. Famous Russian scientists. Are there many famous scientists in Russia? Talented. A talented musician. Talented scientists. Talented students. People in Russia are very talented.